5 olive oil big mistakes that could seriously harm your health. Using olive oil incorrectly can lead to serious health risks, including cancer, liver disease, and cardiovascular diseases. While olive oil is often praised for its health benefits, it can also be a hidden health hazard if not used correctly. So, in this video, we'll explore the 5 big mistakes you're making with olive oil. 1. Cooking over high heat. When you crank up the heat too high, you're not doing your olive oil any favors. High temperatures can destroy those precious antioxidants we love so much and alter the flavor. Frying olive oil at high temperatures can release carcinogens, significantly increasing cancer risk. It's important to monitor oil temperature to avoid this dangerous mistake. Try to keep your cooking temperature below 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 182 degrees Celsius when using olive oil. This means olive oil is great for sautéing, poaching, and low-temperature roasting. Using the right type of olive oil for cooking is crucial. Refined olive oil or heat-resistant oils like avocado oil are safer for high-temperature cooking. 2. Using rancid olive oil. Rancid olive oil can accumulate harmful substances that damage liver cells. This can lead to severe conditions like cirrhosis and liver cancer if consumed regularly. Rancid olive oil can be identified by changes in color, smell, and taste, which indicate potential health hazards. It's vital to discard any oil that shows these signs immediately. 3. Buying oil in plastic or clear glass bottles. The 2 biggest threats to extra virgin olive oil's quality are oxygen and sunlight. If you're buying oil in plastic or clear glass bottles, you're putting its freshness at risk. Once air and light come into contact with the oil, it can start to turn rancid. Storing olive oil in plastic containers can lead to chemical contamination, releasing harmful substances like BPA, which is linked to various health issues, including cancer and metabolic disorders. To maintain the quality and flavor, choose bottles made of dark green or brown glass, which help protect the oil from harmful exposure. 4. Assuming olive oil works well for all forms of cooking. The olive oil section at the supermarket can be overwhelming, but it's important not to grab just any bottle off the shelf. While all olive oils come from olives, which are pressed into a paste and then separated into liquid and solid components, not all olive oils are created equal. Extra virgin olive oil is the least processed variety, made without heat and only minimally filtered. It boasts the boldest flavor, most nutrients, and is ideal for raw applications like salad dressings or as a dip for bread, where flavor is key. Virgin olive oil is similar to extra virgin olive oil, but may have minor flavor defects, though most people wouldn't notice the difference. It's not as commonly found, but can still be a great option. Regular olive oil is heat-treated to remove any potential flavor defects, making it perfect for general-purpose cooking. Light olive oil doesn't mean fewer calories. Rather, it's a blend of refined and virgin oils. While suitable for cooking, it lacks the robust flavor of higher-quality options. 5. Storing your oil near heat. Storing olive oil near heat can cause it to degrade more quickly. Heat accelerates the oxidation process, leading to a loss of flavor and nutritional value, especially the antioxidants and healthy fats in olive oil. Prolonged exposure to heat can also cause the oil to become rancid, producing an unpleasant taste and smell. Keeping olive oil away from heat helps preserve its quality and shelf life. It's best to store olive oil in a cool, dark place, away from stoves or direct sunlight.